Good everybody, today's tutorial we are going to be designing Maggi cube. So let's continue by opening our Adobe Illustrator. So we'll be using Illustrator up to, and yeah, so let's set up the background so that our result at the final end will be okay. If you don't know how to set up the background, um I think that should be design format or something like that, where I talk about what all these will be doing, the size and the color mode, the raster effect and more. So you should watch out for one of my video where I talked about it. So as of now we'll be using these values for it, which is 1080 by 1080, and RGB color. The raster effect should be 72 ppi, which is pixel per inches. So let's create the file, and here comes the background. So right now the first thing we are going to draw is the star tools. So let's go to the rectangular tools here, which is here. So right click on it, and once you right click on it, go to the star tools, and at the star tools just click on your with your mouse, just a single click, and this is going to show up, which is left click. If you know how to just click, if you are using a mouse you use left click, and if you are using, that is if you are using a standard mouse, and if you are using system mouse, just click on it directly. It's going to bring out this dialog box. And the next thing is, let me bring my screen keyboard so that you understand everything I'm doing with the keyboard. And the on-screen keyboard is on now. So what is that? The radius 1, let's make it 250, while the radius 2 will be making that one 500. So let's do that now, which is going to make the star a bigger star. So 500. And you know the star in the Maggi brand logo is of 4 points, so we are going to change this one from 5 to 4. So just reduce it to 4 directly from here, or you can even type 4 in case if you don't want to turn it. Then click OK, and here it comes. Then the next thing we are going to do right now is selecting the rectangle tools. So right click on the star tools, then click rectangle tools. On the rectangle tools, you can draw it. You just click with your mouse as you did earlier, then change this one to 500 pixel, or any value you like, because we are still going to work on it. This is not the original shape we are going to work on, but it's just for us to create the rectangle in a square format. That is, it should be like a square, not just a rectangle. Okay, click OK, then drop the tools. So bring them close to each other. So since this is how the star in the Maggi logo cube looks like, if you guys look at it very well, so we are just going to change the point of our rectangle to the inner point of the star by making the rectangle, the square, sorry, by making the square, by rotating the square at an angle of 45 degrees. 45 degrees, half of 90 degrees. So it's going to give it something like a slant angle that is going to make that edge move straight up. So you understand what I'll be talking about now. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. So since we are here, the next thing we are going to do, if there's a fill in it, in order for us to have a look through it, let unfill it, which is add no fill to it. So none. Yeah. So this is going to give us the point of view, the inside part of the rectangle. So the next we are going to do is go on the selection tools here. As you can see, the right selection. So click it, and once you click it, come to this close point. So press shift, then pick the outside first, telling the outside to merge with the inside. So if you've done that, now let's do that now. You see, it's the one outside that is moving now. So that is it. That is the first one. So we are through with that. So leave your shift, then click outside for you to drop the one you've clicked, then shift again, then click other points again. To buy a good PC that'll be doing a good work, not the one that will be sluggish as this. I can even upgrade the RAM, because once the RAM is upgraded, it will be more faster. That is the work of the RAM in a system. So that is all as you can say. So the next thing we're going to do now is to use Pathfinder tools. So, yeah, that is Pathfinder. Where is the Pathfinder tools? Pathfinder. Using the shape. Sorry, what are they calling it? Light paint bucket. Yeah, yeah, the one here. So you can paint the inside by selecting the color we need, which is this. Yes, I think this is it. So we should paint. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Press OK. Then yeah. Then yeah. Then the middle. There should be no fill. So the middle should be no fill. Yeah, empty. Yeah, that is how it goes. So there is no fill at the middle. Yeah. So as you can see, we're halfway there. Because once you said no fill, it's going to be zero automatically. Yeah. Now let's take a look at it. Yeah. You see how it is now. So we have it. So I think this is somehow because it's normal like so let's put this to 90 degrees so that the box will see it's 0. Any of the two can be choose. Is either you choose 90 or you choose 0. They are still the same thing. Yeah. So as you can see, this is what to get from it. So yeah, so let's move it up a little bit. So now let's reduce the size. So for the start to maintain its uniform shape, you have to take a shift. Then reduce the size to any value you like to any quantity you like, but I think it should be okay. Which is I want it to fit to the screen and everything. No, after there is not system again. Or it's being sluggish a little bit. So the next thing there is writing the M, which is the Maggi logo inside the white space provided inside the star. So let's look for M. So using the text tools, yeah, using the text tools, we are going to write, yeah, so shift, then M, yeah, okay, drop the tools, yeah, oh my god, yeah, drop tools, and then using the character dialog box, if you look at the front of the M there, is a font used in Aria Black, is an Aria Black font. So do you know why an Aria Black is used for it? Is for it to be readable. You know, when you zoom it back and you zoom it front and back, like the zooming in and back of it from afar, Aria Black is very highly readable. Is mostly recommended for mostly logo design for most of logos that have been made because of its characters. You understand? So I think the one they use is black. Then this one will be increased to, yeah. So let's make it this way first. So yeah. So let's run the fill first. Change the fill to the color. Yes, this is the color we're using. Yeah, as you can see, so click it. Then let's expand object so that so expand. Yeah, object and fill. Then okay. So the next thing, press shift in order for it to maintain this other thing I told you the other time. So increase the value of the M to almost fill the box. Yeah, you can stop here. So I think now let's reduce it a little bit. Yeah, I think this is okay. Okay. While holding down the shift, click the other box. Then let's center both objects to the middle by using the align panel. Yes, vertical and horizontal alignment. Yeah, now as you can see, we are still halfway there. This is the logo. And now let's put the or, that is the register trademark sign that is there. So using the text tools, we can get that. Yeah, yeah. So, so using I think it's window semicolon if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's window semicolon. So and it should be somewhere around here. Let's look for it. As you can see, somewhere around the love emoji down there that I'm exploring. So it should be somewhere around here. Yeah, this is it. Register trademark, then copyright, then this one is trademark, which is for those that have not been licensed. But this is a licensed registered trademark. So yeah, that is it. So I think one is okay for the 12 that is used there. So since we've gotten what we want, to minimize it, then come back here, then change the field to red. That is, it's not actually red. I think should I call it one color? Any color it is, you understand? Yeah. Then yeah, I think it's somewhere around there. Yeah. So why the next thing should be the font that they use. The font is the area black, but the M might not look like is area black, but I'll actually show it's area black. So using pressing down your caps. So Maggi, Maggi. Oh, oh, sorry. Yeah, Maggi. So let's drop the twos. So drop twos. That is the fill to this. Yeah, that's the fill. Then the next thing is to expand the appearance. So expand. Yeah. So we've expanded the appearance. So the next thing is to to check the alignment with the point of the star. We are going to increase the size of the Maggi too. So I think yes, from this point downward. Holding down the shift, you are going to use it to draw a good straight vertical line. Yeah. I won't need this the downward one, but since I'm using on-screen keyboard and my system is being a bit sluggish, I'll be using it. So yeah, then to this point, yeah. So I think shift then out to drop the twos. Yeah, yeah. So I'm going to remove the fill. Yeah, then increase the stroke so that I can have a perfect view of it. Yeah, so here we are. So I'm going to increase the size of that one to the size of the Maggi, to the size of the brand logo. Yeah, so we have some minutes there actually. So I don't think we need this anymore since we've already used it for the alignment. So I think we can delete it now. It's just for the alignment I told you earlier. Yeah, so the next thing now is yeah, yeah, yeah. So I think we need to ungroup this. So let's ungroup by right clicking. Then when you right click on it, you see ungroup here. Then ungroup. Then if you ungroup, then come to this direct selection tools. Yeah, that is direct selection. Then we are going to select the 2 point down here. You understand? Then with the other one at the top, using shift, then select this one with it. Yeah, so then make it right to the middle. Yeah, now we are here. Yes, I think this is how it looks like. Huh? Did we miss something? Do you think we have something left we miss? Let me think. Do we miss something? Yes, we missed something. Fifth. Split this one. Yeah, hold it down. We'll be moving upward. So yeah. Yes, so not only down. So this one will be moving downward. So holding your shift, select the other side. Then downward. Yeah. Now we got it right now. So I think yes, that is how it is. Now Maggi. Then the last thing left now is duplicating this register trademark here to oh, sorry, let me change the twos. Move your hand from the hot. So change the twos. Yeah. To yeah. So for us to have another copy of this, click Alt, then drag out. Yeah, so here we are. So let's alight all. Then using the align tools, align dialog. So vertically align bottom. Yep. Oh shit. I forgot. Control Z. forgot to expand the registered trademark, so my bad. So let's expand this so that we can have it like others. So expand up, expand. Then once we expand, so okay, let's begin. Yeah, so we've expanded it. So let's try it again. Align button. Yeah, I think you see the difference now. So now, yeah, this is it. So I think that should be all about today's tutorial video, and I think we've done something great. And I hope you've learned one or two. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube video, to my YouTube channel. Oh my God, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment your questions in case you have one or two questions. Like and share with others so that they can learn. Thanks.